Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Drive Dose. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome completely redefines what it means to travel in power, comfort, and luxury. Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty engineering, this motorhome feels less like an RV and more like a rolling penthouse designed for the open highway. From the moment it comes into view, the bold aerodynamic nose, modern LED lighting, and massive stance make it clear this machine is in a class of its own. It's designed for people who don't just travel, but command the road wherever they go. Under the hood, the T-2000 Motorhome delivers serious performance. Powered by a next-generation diesel engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission, it offers smooth acceleration and incredible torque, even when fully loaded. Long highway stretches feel effortless, while mountain climbs and steep grades are handled with confidence. Kenworth's latest suspension system ensures a stable, quiet ride, reducing fatigue on long journeys and making every mile feel refined and controlled. Step inside, and the transformation is stunning. The interior is designed with a luxury-first mindset, blending premium materials with smart, functional design. High-end leather seating, real wood accents, and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere closer to a luxury apartment than a traditional motorhome. The living area is spacious and open, with slide-outs that dramatically increase interior room when parked. Every detail feels intentional, from the seamless storage solutions to the elegant finishes. The kitchen in the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome is fully equipped for serious cooking on the road. You get modern stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and generous counter space. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or hosting guests, this kitchen delivers both style and practicality. Smart storage keeps everything secure while driving, and high-quality cabinetry adds to the premium feel. The bedroom area is designed for true rest and relaxation. A full-size luxury bed, plush mattress, and sound-insulated walls ensure peaceful sleep no matter where you're parked. Large windows with blackout shades provide privacy and natural light when you want it. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with a walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and high-end finishes that rival upscale hotels. This isn't camping. It's refined living on wheels. Technology plays a huge role in the T-2000 experience. The motorhome features a fully integrated digital control system that allows you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and power usage from a central touchscreen or even a mobile device. Multiple large displays, premium sound systems, and high-speed connectivity ensure you're always entertained and connected, whether you're traveling cross-country or parked for an extended stay. Safety and driver assistance are equally impressive. Advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and 360-degree camera coverage help make driving this massive motorhome surprisingly manageable. Kenworth's focus on driver comfort is clear, with an ergonomic cockpit, adjustable seating, and excellent visibility that reduce stress during long hauls.